It's October 6th, so my new project is for the garlic gardening because I'm gonna do garlic planting before I go back to Canada next month. I'm going back to Canada, so before I leave, I have to plant a garlic here in this area. So from the scrap, same thing before when I have that garden over down there. I'm gonna show you the garden down there. So that's the garden that I have. I built it myself in 1 month. I did the digging, everything, removing the grass like here, same as thick as this grass here, and then I turned it to the beautiful garden and a lot of harvest. So this time, my project is digging the ground again, removing all the grasses here. So I have to, because so I don't have any asarol, so I'm gonna use a shovel. I'm just gonna shovel all the, it's hard. So this is how I started doing the gardening, guys. Removing all the grasses first. It's na. Mainit pati ngayon. It's hot weather today after 1 week raining. Now the hot weather is changed. Oh, the cold weather changed to hot weather today until Wednesday. Whew. See guys. Mano-mano ba? I don't have I don't have tiller, and I don't have money to buy those tools, so that's why I'm using my hands to remove all the grasses so I can plant a garlic in here. So I'm going back to Canada next month because I'm a Canadian citizen, guys. I'm gonna finish my 7 months stay here in US next month. So before 7 months or 6 months, I have to go back to Canada. So before I go back to Canada, at least I have another garden, and when I come back here, if I can come back next year, I'm just gonna harvest my garlic, right? So this is how I make the garden from the beginning in that area. A lot of work, guys, to do, but when your vegetables having fruit, you're gonna enjoy a lot. And I share to my friends, and I make them happy because they can experience picking organic vegetables from my garden. Kapal ng ng ugat. Abutin ako nito ng mga ilang araw, guys, magtanggal ng mga damo. Damo pa lang yan, ha. So I'm pushing the shovel with my foot to go in to deep of the soil because I want to remove all the roots of the grass. The big problem in this area, guys, a lot of stones underneath of the soil. That's why it's hard to dig in the grasses because of the stones. I'm gonna show you so far my digging here. First, I started here in this area in the upper part, but when the the dust going down, so I think that much better to start this area, guys. So see how thick it is. It's like 5 to 7 inches the thickness of this grass that I have to remove. See, it's deep, guys. See, so it's like 5 to 7 inches that I have to dig to remove the grass. So these are the whole area. Same thing what I did to this garden of mine. Look at that. The beautiful squash have a lot of fruits and it's all big, guys. See? And one over there, it's so big. It's like watermelon big. Tigas kapag may bato. Yan. And then, after that, you have to, see, it says, see. Ay, nakapagod. Lang kung umupo. So now, let's work in this area here. So we did a shovel. Now we have to remove like this by my hand. para matanggal yung ibang lupa. Ginaganyan ko siya. So, mahirap. Ganyan talaga ang buhay ng magsasaka. Kung gusto mo magtanim, maghawan ka muna. Itong lupa na ito nakatiwangwang for centuries already. So, na-virgin ko tong lupa ngayon. Ako ang naka-virgin. Kasi ako ang nagdidig. Ako pa lang yung nagdidig dito. Yung unang may-ari ng lupa nito, hindi naman nagtanim kasi busy sa buhay. Ang ginawa niya yung bahay, 10 years niyang ginawa. Tapos binenta sa aking apam. Dahil malayo sila, nasa Seattle. Ito Washington. So, super layo. 3 hours and a half ang biyahe from here to Seattle. Kaya binenta niya na lang. At ito nga, nabili niya apam ko. Eh, isa rin naman, pag mga apam, bihira ang mahilig mag, kasi engineer naman yung apam ko. So, ayan. Ganyan guys. Mano-mano ba ang aking ginagawa sa lupa? Papalahin ko muna. I'm gonna use shovel first to dig. Then, after I dig with shovel, I'm gonna remove by my hand like this. That's how I do to all of this area that I make garden. Alikabok. Sakit na ilong ko sa alikabok. Pero okay lang kasi ito ang gusto ko. So, mahirap. Mahirap na trabaho pero exercise na rin. This is work that you have pre-exercises because you're sweating all the time you're doing this. And it's under the sun, so ayan o. Tinatanggal ko yung mga lupa niyan. Ayan. Gagawin ko tong patag. You see guys, ano siya, bakilid. Tawag sa amin sa Bicol, bakilid. Slanted ganyan ang lupa. So, ayan. Pag napala na, maalo lang konti. Kaya lang, medyo nagkabilbil ako. Sumasakit yung bilbil ko kapag nakaupo akong ganito. Ay, 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 oh. Shout out sa may mga bilbil. Huwag po natin masyadong alagaan ng bilbil natin. Igalaw-galaw po natin. Para hindi masyadong lumaki. Pag nagiging ako ng weight, yun, nagkakabilbil ako. Kasi tumatanda na eh. Diba? Bago ka makatapos ng isang square foot, siguro ko mga 10 minutes. So, I have to, ito yung wild carrots guys. Kinakain to ng yung ligaw na carrots, damo na carrots ba, pero hindi siya talaga nagkakaroon ng laman. Dahon lang, parang carrots. Kinakain to ng mga rabbit eh. Kaya ang daming rabbit dito lagi gawa nito. Kaya pati yung tanim kong carrots, kinain na din. Walang itinira sa akin ng rabbit. Nakakalungkot man, hindi ako nakapag-harvest ng aking carrots kasi kinain ng mga rabbit. So ayan, i-harvest ko na lang. Instead carrots, ito na lang dandelion. Oh. Diba? Ang daming health benefits ng dandelion roots guys. Ayan oh, diba? Makakaipon ako ng dandelion roots sa pagbubungkal ko ng lupa. Ayan. So, wala na. I don't have time anymore to pick dandelion flowers because of this project. Garlic garden. My next garden on a winter time. So kahit wala ako dito, mayroon akong tanim na garlic at pagbalik ko next year, mag-harvest na lang ako. O diba guys, ang galing ng idea. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng magandang idea para hindi nasasayang yung panahon. Para kahit winter, taglamig, tag-snow, meron pa din tayong maha-harvest na next year. Yan. Maganda pag pinapala muna eh. Humangin, lakas. Yung alikabok punta lahat sa mukha ko. Yan. I have to be careful which one is dandelion kasi mayroong damo na kahawig ng dandelion guys. So pag hindi ako siguradong dandelion talaga siya, hindi ko kinukuha. Kagaya nito, parang dandelion din sa ugat pero iba yung ano niya dahon, iba rin yung bulaklak. Yan, kahit pa paano, maluwang-luwang na rin itong aking natapos. Nakahalos 2 oras na ako dito, mula dyan sa taas. Mamaya mag-walking exercise pa daw kami. Adjust natin ang upuan. Ay, kakapagod. Mas napapagod ako pag nakaupo, kasi yung bilbil ko guys, naiipit. Oh, shout out sa may mga bilbil.
Hours or 4 hours. So half day. This is I finish working today. See guys? And I finish only I think 1/4 area of the whole area that I have to plant the garlic. So this is the whole area. So tomorrow this is the next area. It's so thick. That kind of grass guys. It's very thick. So here, see? So, 20 by 28 feet ang aking na linisan ngayon. Ayan. Ayan na yung, these are the grasses that I remove from this area. But guys, kapag masipag ka, may magagawa ka. Hindi lang puro Facebook at puro online games. Hindi po ako nagi-games sa online. Bihira po ako mag-games. Ang mostly ginagawa ko ay nanonood ng Korean drama. Yun, pag yun ang naumpisahan ko, dire-diretso yun. Gusto ko tapusin. Sakit ng likod ko ngayon.
So today's is second day, October 7th for second day of my starting garlic gardening. So because this is on the top and those are the lower parts, so I'm gonna do first the lower part. The problem is so many stones. See the stones.
Ginabi na ako, guys. The sun is set already. No sun now, it's dark already. And here you go, the finish area. So, double size na yung finish area. So, another 4 hours work today. Ginabi na. And then, magdidilig pa ako ng aking mga halaman. I'm still gonna water my plants. I harvested here some of my... See, guys, I have a lot of harvest. Herbs, oregano, sage, rosemary, jalapeno, 4 cucumbers, 2 Roma tomatoes, and a lot of cherry tomatoes. And underneath are dandelions. And I have, yay, jumbo striped zucchini. So after 2 days, that's the finish area. And now, I'm gonna start very late because, you know, I have my monthly guest or monthly period. Monthly guest. Monthly period. So I feel so lazy, but I have to finish it today because now it's cloudy already. It's gonna be raining tomorrow. So I have to finish it today. The rest of the grasses I have to remove. See, I have to remove all that grasses until to that area. So hopefully I'm gonna finish it in 2 hours because it's almost 5 o'clock now.
Today is the 3rd day of my cleaning up the grasses, the thick grasses in the whole area where the garlic gonna be. So it's my 3rd day and last day for removing all the grasses. So no more sunset already, no more sun, but I'm still doing the cleaning up. And I still getting all dandelions because dandelion roots is better than dandelion flowers. It's still the same, antioxidant, but it's more, I think, more minerals on dandelion roots because it's on the ground. You know, so I have a lot dandelion roots now. Looks like ginseng.